Hello everyone, I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. Today, I will give you a deep guide and advice for the trendy HIFU treatment, its procedure, benefits, costs, regrets, dermatologists' reviews and much more. So don't skip and watch complete video. Subscribe my channel not to miss latest updates about latest beauty trends and treatments. HIFU is one of the most effective non-surgical facelift treatments. If you've researched non-surgical facelifts, you've likely heard about HIFU, a treatment that promises to lift and tighten skin without surgery. Section 1. Skin Anatomy and How HIFU Works. To truly understand how HIFU achieves its lifting effect, we need to examine your skin's layered structure from surface to depth. The outermost layer, the epidermis, is remarkably thin, just 0.1 millimeters thick, and acts as your body's protective barrier. HIFU's ultrasound energy passes completely through this layer without affecting it, which explains why there's no surface damage or downtime. Beneath this lies the dermis, measuring 2 to 3 millimeters in thickness. This is where your skin's vital support structures, collagen and elastin fibers, reside. HIFU delivers focused energy at the 3.0 millimeters depth within this layer to stimulate these fibers. But the real magic happens even deeper at 4.5 millimeters, where we find the SMAS, superficial musculoaponeurotic system, layer. This is your face's natural support scaffolding, the very same layer surgeons tighten during a traditional facelift. HIFU's ability to safely target this deep layer without cutting is what sets it apart from other non-surgical treatments. Importantly, the energy doesn't penetrate beyond this point into muscle or fat layers, making it significantly safer than surgical alternatives. The technology works much like sunlight focused through a magnifying glass, but using precisely calibrated ultrasound waves instead of light. These waves create microscopic heat points at exactly 3.0 millimeters and 4.5 millimeters depths, no shallower, no deeper. This focused energy accomplishes two crucial things simultaneously. First, it provides immediate tightening by contracting overstretched collagen fibers, like tightening the loose strings on a guitar. Second, and perhaps more importantly, it triggers your skin's natural healing response, stimulating the production of fresh, new collagen over the following 3 to 6 months for progressive, natural-looking improvement. Section 2. The HIFU treatment experience, step by step. Let me walk you through exactly what to expect during a HIFU session, from consultation to aftercare. 1. Consultation, 30 minutes. Your provider performs an ultrasound scan to measure your skin thickness. Treatment areas are carefully mapped with a surgical marker. This planning ensures optimal energy delivery for your specific anatomy. 2. Numbing process, 45 minutes. Medical-grade topical anesthetic, 5% lidocaine cream, is applied. Advanced clinics may offer cooling air systems, or vibration therapy, or optional mild oral sedatives. 3. Treatment phase, 60 to 90 minutes. The handheld transducer glides smoothly with ultrasound gel. Audible beeps signal each precision energy pulse. Sensations vary by treatment area. Cheeks experience warm tingling, 3 by 10 discomfort. Jawline experience brief sharp zaps, 6 by 10. And neck experience deep, popping sensations as tissues contract. Real-time ultrasound monitoring ensures proper depth control. 4. Immediate aftercare. Temporary redness resolves within 4 hours. Mild swelling peaks at 24 to 48 hours. Activity restrictions. Avoid heat exposure hot yoga for 48 hours. Postpone intense exercise for 2 days. Use gentle skincare only for 24 hours, treatment is customized by area. Forehead or brow should experience 3.0 millimeters lower energy. Mid-face and jawline should experience 4.5 millimeters higher intensity. Neck should have modified settings to protect delicate structures. Section 3. Pain and safety, what no one tells you. While HIFU is generally considered safe, it is important to understand both the expected discomfort and potential risks associated with the procedure. Most patients describe the sensation as intermittent, sharp zaps, similar to tiny rubber band snaps, with pain levels varying by treatment area. The jawline and neck tend to be the most sensitive, often rated 5 to 7 out of 10 on the pain scale, while the cheeks and forehead are typically more tolerable, 3 to 4 out of 10. To mitigate discomfort, Reputable clinics apply topical numbing cream and may use vibration devices or cooling systems during treatment. Safety largely depends on practitioner expertise and device quality. The only FDA-cleared HIFU device, Ultherapy, has well-documented safety profiles, whereas counterfeit machines may deliver inconsistent energy levels, increasing risks. Section 4. Which candidates get best results? HIFU works best when your skin has spring left in the coil. Here's what that means. Ideal candidates who get best results include those people with age 35 to 55 with early skin sagging, those people whose jawline's starting to soften but still has shape, those whose neck has mild banding when they look down, and those people whose cheeks are slight flattening but not completely fallen. Poor candidates who don't get results include those people who have severe jowls that fold when they pinch them, those people who have neck skin that drapes like a curtain, those with heavy eyelid hooding, and those with very thin or very thick facial fat layers. According to a dermatologist, try this simple test: gently pinch your cheek. If it snaps back quickly, you're likely a good candidate. If it folds and stays creased, you may need more than HIFU. Section 5. Realistic results timeline. HIFU results develop in phases. From week 1 to 2, you will experience initial swelling which makes skin look tighter, false positive, and possible slight numbness. From month 1 to 3, new collagen begins forming. Subtle lift becomes visible in photos. From month 3 to 6, full results apparent. Average improvement includes jawline lifts 2 to 3 mm, neck gets 30 to 40% smoother, and eyebrows lift 1 to 2 mm lift. Section 6. Safety and avoiding risks. While HIFU is generally safe, but few risks also exist, which include common, 1 in 10, are the client will experience temporary redness or swelling on the treated area or mild bruising. Rare, 1 in 1,000. Nerve irritation, usually resolves in weeks. Uneven results, if provider is inexperienced. Protect yourself by choosing Ultherapy brand, only FDA-cleared device. Asking for providers before and after portfolio. Avoiding prices under $800, likely counterfeit machines. Real Ultherapy devices have serial numbers you can verify online. Don't settle for HIFU-like machines. Section 7. Dermatologists Reviews. According to Dr. Emily Wong, facial rejuvenation specialist, Singapore, HIFU delivers the most natural-looking lift of any non-surgical treatment. Patients love that it stimulates your own collagen for gradual, authentic improvement over months. According to Dr. Carlos Mendez, dermatologic surgeon, Mexico, for maintenance between surgical facelifts, HIFU is ideal. Just remember, multiple sessions often work better than a single treatment for noticeable lifting. Section 8. Cost and value analysis. HIFU pricing depends on area treated, full face versus neck only, clinic reputation, and device authenticity. Global price ranges. USA, $1,200 to $3,500 US. UK, £900 to £2,200. Korea, $800 to $1,500. Compared to surgery. Facelift costs $12,000 plus with 6-week recovery. HIFU costs 1/4 the cost of facelift, no downtime. Thread lifts have similar cost but lasts only 6 to 12 months. Section 9. Final verdict. HIFU is ideal if you want natural-looking improvement, if you prefer no surgery or scars, or if you have early to moderate sagging. Consider other options if your skin hangs loosely, or if your budget is under $1,000. Remember, good skincare maintains results. Always use SPF to protect your collagen investment. I hope you like this guide and can make a best decision to look more beautiful. Like and share this video and subscribe my channel for more latest aesthetic and beauty treatments. Thanks for watching.